The basics of construction. Idea, development, implementation. Step 1. Idea. Once you have an idea of what you want, there is a lot of research you need to do. This includes, where do you want to build? What kind of contractor do I want? What type of budget do I need for the design and construction? What can I afford? A very important thing to learn is the terminology used in the construction business. The more you understand this, the easier it will be to understand your contractor and express your needs and wants. The more research you do in advance, the more accurate your risk-reward analysis will be. You will need to work with your contractor to prepare realistically what the risks will be and to keep the overall project within your budget. Step 2. Development. The goal of the development stage is to create a plan for all of the little details of the construction project. Therefore, it can take a long time to complete this step, but the more exact the plan is, the better the execution will be later. The first thing you will want to do is finalize your budget. You will want to know exactly how much you want and are able to spend on the construction. Once you have a budget, you can plan exactly how many square feet and what interior and exterior finishes you want. By the end of this stage, you should have the following: detail plans and drawings. A plan of when each detail will be built. Exact cost of every detail in the plan. A verbal estimate or vague written quote is a recipe for failure. Who is responsible for executing the plan? Step 3. Implementation. The final stage is the most satisfying. Dirt starts moving, concrete flows, wood starts standing up, the project goes through a weekly metamorphosis, taking shape and texture. You will be able to sit back and watch your dream come to life before your very eyes. Your contractor will stay alert to risks or challenges that may come up, continuing to encourage all the trades to finish their tasks on target to move the project along on time. Most skilled tradesmen are deeply motivated to accomplish their tasks, not just for the financial reward, but for the satisfaction of the skill they possess and the joy that comes from serving others with the experiences they have. The more positive you are with the people who work on your project, the more devotion and pride will show in their workmanship. At this stage, we might need slight adjustments here or there, but if due diligence was done during development, it will progress on time and on budget. Conclusion. An ancient proverb says, "Plans fail when there is no consultation, but there is an accomplishment through many advisors." So, if you are thinking about building or are in the idea or development stages, be sure not to rush through any step. The 3 stages can be accelerated, but rushing will certainly bring problems. Take your time to clearly have your main goals down before beginning the development stage. Then, once development begins, give ample attention to all the details. If you do these things, then your implementation process will be as pleasant as it possibly can be.